Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, I'll show you how to find and use a profit and loss statement template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the left side of the screen, click on New. Click in the search box and type in the kind of template you're looking for, such as profit and loss statement. With your search term typed in, press Enter, or click the search icon. Excel will show you several profit and loss templates. Let's click on Profit and Loss Statement with Logo. A window opens, telling you about the template. When you're ready, click Create. In just a few seconds, Excel creates a brand new workbook from the template, ready to use. Notice the tabs at the bottom: Dashboard, Sales, Income, Expenses, Taxes, and Categories. Let's take a quick look at each one. The Dashboard tab pulls everything together automatically, showing your gross margin, return on sales, and a full summary of revenue, expenses, and profit. The Sales tab is where you enter revenue and cost of sales for each product or service, comparing the current period to your prior period and budget. The Income tab tracks any other income outside of sales, like interest or one-time gains. The Expenses tab organizes your operating costs into sales and marketing, research and development, and general and administrative categories. The Taxes tab tracks income, payroll, real estate, and other taxes for the period. The Categories tab lists the labels used throughout the workbook. Don't edit these, since the other tabs' formulas depend on them. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.